If you're dealing with startup issues on Windows 10 like a black screen, black boot loop, or infinite loading screen, don't worry. Today we're going to walk through some effective solutions to get your system back up and running. So let's dive right in. Alright, let's tackle these startup problems one step at a time. Safe mode can help you troubleshoot and fix startup issues by loading only essential drivers and services. If you can't boot into Windows normally, restart your computer and immediately press F8, Shift plus F8, or hold Shift while clicking Restart. If this doesn't work, repeatedly press F11 or use the Windows installation media to access recovery options. In the Advanced Startup Options menu, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options and select Startup Settings. Click Restart. After your PC restarts, press the corresponding number for safe mode or safe mode with networking. In the safe mode or from the advanced startup options, go to troubleshoot, then advanced options and select system restore. Follow the on-screen instruction to choose the restore point from the before the issue started. Click next and then finish to start the restore process. Corrupted system files can cause startup issues. We'll use the command prompt to check and repair them. In safe mode or from the advanced startup options, go to troubleshoot, then advanced options and select command prompt. Type sfc/scan now and press enter. This will scan and repair system files. If it finds issues but can't fix them, you can use following commands, that is dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Sometimes hardware issues can cause startup problems. Make sure everything is connected properly. Turn off your computer and unplug it. Open the case and check all connection, including RAM, hard drive, and any cables. For laptop, ensure all removable parts are seated properly. As a last resort, you can reset your PC to factory settings. This will reinstall Windows but keep your personal files or remove everything depending on your choice. In the Advanced Startup Options menu, go to Troubleshoot and select Reset this PC. You'll be given the choice to either keep my files or remove everything. Choose based on your preference and follow the on-screen instructions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most startup issues on Windows 10, whether it's a black screen, boot loop, or infinite loading screen.